Hey there and welcome to my channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to make some extra cash without having to put in too much effort? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 5 easy passive income ideas for beginners. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Invest in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a great way to make passive income. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a company. And the best part? You don't have to do anything except invest your money and watch it grow. Start a blog. If you love writing and sharing your thoughts with the world, starting a blog could be a great way to make passive income. You can make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. And the best part? You can write about whatever you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, fashion, or even your pet hamster. Rent out your space on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your house or a vacation home that you're not using, you can make passive income by renting it out on Airbnb. You can set your own prices and availability, and Airbnb takes care of all the bookings and payments. Plus, you'll get to meet people from all over the world. Sell stock photos. If you're a talented photographer, you can make passive income by selling your photos online. There are a number of websites, such as Shutterstock and iStock, that will pay you for your photos. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional photographer to make money. You just need a good camera and an eye for a great shot. Create an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can make passive income by creating an online course. You can create a course on anything from cooking to coding to knitting. And the best part? Once you create the course, you can sell it over and over again without having to do any additional work. So there you have it, 5 easy passive income ideas for beginners. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making money while you sleep. So, pick one of these ideas, give it a try, and start earning today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.